What is life science? The scientific study of life and living organisms, from the physical structures of whole organisms and their organs to the microscopic scale of their cells and the molecules that control the cell's behavior through molecular interactions and chemical processes. Life science helps to explain our daily lives. At school, we studied how photosynthesis works, but where did that knowledge come from? The details were discovered many years ago through life science research. Since then, life science has strived to understand how our bodies work on a molecular scale. This knowledge allows other scientists and specialists in various fields to push technology and medicine forward to continually improve our lives. Think about medicines. Traditionally, drugs were made of chemicals. They still are, but increasingly new drugs mimic natural methods and are biological rather than chemical. For example, the body uses antibodies made from protein to fight infection. So scientists now make antibodies in the laboratory. These new drugs, which are called therapeutic antibodies, are used to fight diseases such as cancer, and they are very precisely controlled and regulated. Unfortunately, therapeutic antibodies are very expensive and are not widely available to researchers. Instead, scientists have to use reagent antibodies in their research. They use reagent antibodies to detect specific molecules in laboratory experiments. Reagent antibodies are much cheaper, but are unregulated, and unfortunately, tests have shown that approximately half of them don't work as claimed. These failures waste a lot of research time and money. Globally, it's estimated that hundreds of millions of pounds are wasted on bad reagent antibodies each year. At Preart, our goal is to fix this problem, and we have a solution. Funded by the EU Horizon 2020 Future and Emerging Technologies programme, we aim to replace reagent antibodies with alternative synthetic proteins that are precisely controlled. As cheap as reagent antibodies, the difference is that our synthetic proteins will be reliable, so that scientists will know that they work as claimed before starting their experiments. We want to put an end to all that waste. These proteins will be available for universities and industry in the future and sold to research companies to enable them to improve their time efficiency, save money, and eliminate bad results.